We are shooting a maternity session in Llangoed Hall in Brecon. Kristie's just showing her how we want up to pose at the moment, because if you've never done it before, it's hard work and it's a little bit awkward. So none of our customers ever know how to pose, so that's Kristie's job. Kristie, I joke a little bit that she's just there to muck about and pose, but she is pivotal in creative directing. So when we're walking around, she's like, how about this, how about that? We bounce ideas off each other constantly. Kristie helps a lot with posing. She stands with the client and shows them exactly how to move their body and where to put it. I am behind the camera. I'm making sure we get everything captured as quickly as possible and obviously as amazingly as possible. So I am looking for the best angles, whereas Kristie's kind of looking for the best poses. The location has been absolutely beautiful. So the steps, we had all those beautiful leaves up the wall. You've had the height and the extreme kind of architecture. We've had the lovely archway with the wind blowing and the lovely steps leading up, so all the leading lines up to the main subject. Then we've had that little nook around the corner there that she's got her arm above her head that will draw you in this nice close-up. And then this gate, which she loved because it was like a bit of a secret garden, so that meant this is one that she definitely wanted to do, so we made sure we got that in. We tend to shoot really fast because you're putting a strain on the mother, like she's posing and whatever, and as much as it doesn't look like it's strenuous, it is like holding that position, it's quite awkward and it's a lot of strain on that bump. So that's why we do it in that 28 to 32 week period. You're not too far gone that it's going to put an extreme amount of stress on, but it's not, you've still got a nice round bump. But using the continuous light, we haven't got to wait for the refresh of the flash. So that has been absolutely amazing today. We have done 4 setups in 45 minutes to an hour, photo and video, all continuous light. That's been absolute game changer today.